Hello friends, let's learn some 50 words with letter D. D is for dog. Dog. D is for dad. Dad. D is for day. Day. D is for dig. Dig. D is for dot. Dot. D is for dry. Dry. D is for dew. Dew. D is for den. Den. D is for dip. Dip. D is for die. Die. D is for duck. Duck. D is for dish. Dish. D is for doll. Doll. D is for door. Door. D is for drop. Drop. D is for drum. Drum. D is for damp. Damp. D is for dove. Dove. D is for desk. Desk. D is for dark. Dark. D is for deer. Deer. D is for dive. Dive. D is for draw. Draw. D is for down. Down. D is for dine. Dine. D is for dirt. Dirt. D is for deep. Deep. D is for dent. Dent. D is for dust. Dust. D is for dash. Dash. D is for done. Done. D is for drag. Drag. D is for dawn. Dawn. D is for dump. Dump. D is for deck. Deck. D is for Dare. Dare. D is for dune. Dune. D is for dual. Dual. D is for duel. Duel. D is for deal. Deal. D is for doll. Doll. D is for dial. Dial. D is for diet. Diet. D is for dam. Dam. D is for dance. Dance. D is for dream. Dream. D is for dress. Dress. D is for drive. Drive. D is for delay. Delay. D is for doctor. Doctor. So children, in this video, we learned some 50 words with letter D. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed this video. This is it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye for now.